If conditional statement. What is if conditional statement? So in if conditional statement, we provide some condition. If that condition is true, a program runs. If that condition is not true, that program does some another thing. Like let's say we have provided some another value for if a condition fails. So how we use a if conditional statement? Let's say I have a three variable, which is x is equals to 2, y is equals to 5, and z is equals to 10. And I say if and condition, which is x is greater than y, semicolon. In that case, print x comma is greater than y. And if x is less than y, then in that case print x is less than y. And it if I run it, surely it will check it, and here our x is 2 and our y is 5, so 2 is less than 5. But what if I say if z is greater than y and y is greater than x, and x is less than z and z is greater than y? Print z is greater than y, which is greater than x. And it again go through our condition, and it says z is greater than 5, which is greater than 2, where our z is 10 and y is 5 and our x is 2. But how we can optimize our if statement? So for that we use if else. Let's say our variable is x is equals to 13 and y is equals to 5, and we say if x is less than y, print x is less than y, else print x is not less than y. So in that case, again our x is greater than y, so it will print 13 is not less than 5, which is our y. Here we have optimized our previous code, but just not repeating our if statement again and again, or providing just else statement instead. But what if we want to really optimize and do x number of things in our if statement? So in that case we use if else if and else statement together. Let's say we have our variable x is equals to 3, y is equals to 12, and let's say z is equals to 15. And I say if x is greater than y, print x is greater than y. It will check the condition first. Then if that's not the case, we will say else if, which is ELIF, else if x is less than z, print x is less than z. If that condition is true, then we will print x is less than z. Or else print if both is not the case, then print nothing was the case. So it will run it, and after checking the condition, it will show us that 3 is less than 15, which is our x is less than z, which is our else if condition. So it goes through our first condition, which is not true. It goes through our second condition, which is true. And if both of them was not true, then it would have printed our third condition, which is nothing was the case. But in our case, our second condition was true, so it is giving us the value of 3 is less than 15. And that's how we use if, else if, and else statement.